5 things to consider if you are wanting to list your home this spring, summer. I'm Michelle Snyder. I'm a local realtor here in the Indianapolis area, and on today's Weekly Minute, I'm going to talk about that. So number 1 is you want to talk to a local realtor. Number 2 is you want to start looking at your curb appeal and make sure you're cleaning up your landscaping, pulling weeds, planting flowers, etc. Number 3 is you want to make sure that you're dealing with all those maintenance issues that you've put off around the home. Start getting those things corrected immediately. Number 4 is you want to declutter and clean your home. And lastly, you want to touch up paint. Now, I'm going to give you 2 other bonus things that you might want to consider, and your realtor can help you with this if they have experience with this, is staging. Staging is important when you're selling your home, the placement of the furniture, etc. And lastly, professional photos. Now, if you live in the Indianapolis area, you need a realtor to help you sell your home. Feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to help. Have a great day.